Exercise example 7.11. Figure shows a series LCR circuit connected to variable frequency 230 volt source. L is equal to 5 Henry, C is equal to 80 microfarad and R is equal to 40 ohm. So it is series LCR circuit. Okay, first in A we have to determine the source frequency which drives the circuit in resonance. Right, so we have to find angular frequency in A. Now as you see from question, this is a case of series LCR circuit, right? So in series LCR circuit we know it have inductor, capacitor and a resistor, right, connected to AC source. This is connected to AC source. This is L, C and R. Right, and given values are, we have VRMS value which is a source supply 230 volt, right? Inductor L is equal to 5 Henry, capacitor C is equal to 80 microfarad, micro means 10 raised to minus 6 farad, then resistor R is equal to 40 ohm. Right, these are the value which is given. Now in A we have to find angular frequency, resonant angular frequency. So resonant angular frequency is omega R is equal to 1 by under root LC. Clear? Now putting value of L and C, right, we find it is under root of value of L is 5 into C is 80 into 10 raised to minus 6. So answer is 50 radian per second. So on calculation you get the answer 50. So this is the omega R angular frequency for series LCR. Clear? Okay. Now in B, obtain the impedance of the circuit and the amplitude of the current at the resonant frequency. So we have to find at resonant frequency. At resonant frequency, omega is equal to, means angular frequency is equal to natural frequency or resonant frequency. So in this case we can write it is XL is equal to XC. Clear? It is a case of XL is equal to XC. So by that impedance, we know impedance Z is equal to, it is under root of R square plus XL minus XC whole square. Right? Now as we see, this XL is equal to XC for resonant frequency. So this will be 0. This term will be going to 0. So in root you have root of R, inside root you have R square. So square and root cancelled. Right? Square and root cancel. So term is only R. So here you have Z is equal to R. So value of Z, R value is 40, so value of Z is 40 ohm only, right? This is the impedance. Clear? Now, also we have to find amplitude of current, right? Amplitude of current. So current amplitude that is I naught is equal to V naught by Z. Clear? So at resonance we know that impedance Z is equal to R. Right? We can write here as an excuse that at resonance Z is equal to impedance Z is equal to R. Clear? So instead of Z we are putting R here. Now this value will be, it is root 2 VRMS, as we know that VRMS is equal to V naught upon root 2. So instead of V0, we can put this root 2 comes here, so root 2 Vrms whole by R. Now putting all values, that is 1.41 into RMS value is 230, which is given, and R value is 40. So answer is 8.1 ampere. This is the amplitude of current. Clear? Now in C, you can read question that is determine the RMS potential drop across the three element of the circuit. So we have to find potential drop or voltage across each element, that is L, C and R, so that the potential drop across the LC combination is 0 at the resonant frequency. Also we have to show that at resonance the potential drop between the combination of LC is 0. So let me start. So this is our C, right? Here we have to first find the RMS potential drop. For that, first we calculate the IRMS value. So IRMS value is equal to Vrms by R. So Vrms value is 230 by 40. So answer is, it is 23 by 4 ampere. This is the IRMS value. Now we can find potential drop, right? Potential drop across L, right? So first we are calculating potential drop across L. So it is Vrms across L is equal to, it is IRMS into XL. Now XL value is IRMS into XL. This is inductive reactance, which is omega into L, right? So putting value, it is 23 by 4. Omega value we had already find, which is 50, into inductor value which is given, which is 5. So answer is 1437.5 volt, right? This is the voltage drop across L. Now potential drop across C. So we have to find potential drop across C. So it is Vrms of C is equal to, it is IRMS into XC, inductive capacitive reactance. So it is IRMS into, it is 1 by omega into C. Now putting value, it is 23 by 4 into 1 by omega value is 50 and C value is 80 microfarad, which is 10 raised to minus 6. So on calculating this value, it is 1437.5, same only. We know that the voltage drop across L and C is also same for resonant. Clear? So that is what we had find here. Now potential drop across R. So for this, it is Vrms of R is equal to, this will be IRMS into R. So putting value, IRMS is 23 by 4, R value is 40 ohm. So answer is 230 volt, right? This is what we had find. Now we have also show that LC combination answer is 0, means the potential drop across LC combination is 0. So it is very easy. Potential drop across LC combination at the resonant frequency that is potential drop across LC. So it is Vrms of LC is equal to IRMS. Now it is a reactance of, it is XL minus XC. Now we know that but we know that at resonant XL is equal to XC. If XL is equal to XC, then this term will be 0. So by that, this entire potential drop, that is Vrms or across LC combination, will be 0. So this is we had shown that LC combination potential drop is 0. Clear? Thank you.